Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Lexus ES 350. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off to prevent electrical surges. It's wise to wear safety glasses and gloves for protection against sparks or battery acid. Also, take a moment to check that your battery terminals are clean and free of any corrosion, which can hinder the connection. Position the working vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can reach comfortably. Connecting the cables properly is key. First, attach one end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of your dead Lexus battery. Then, connect the other red cable end to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the other black negative cable end to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Lexus engine block, away from the battery. This ensures a safe ground connection. With the cables connected, it's time to start your Lexus. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your dead battery. After this waiting period, attempt to start your Lexus ES 350. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes and try again. Once your Lexus starts, let it run for at least 20 minutes to help recharge its battery. Once your Lexus ES 350 is running, it's time to disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, carefully remove the black negative cable from the dead car's engine block. Next, disconnect the black negative cable from the good battery. Then, remove the red positive cable from the good battery's positive terminal. Finally, disconnect the red positive cable from your now started Lexus. Drive your Lexus for at least 30 minutes to ensure the battery recharges fully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.